12 phrases that make a guy instantly fall for you. Whether you've had feelings for him for a while, are presently dating, or are in a long-term relationship and attempting to reignite the flame, communication is key. Hello viewers, welcome back to another interesting video from Brainy Facts. Guys, like girls, have things they want to hear but don't always get. Sometimes all your guy needs is a little encouragement. In other circumstances, you want to reassure them that you're the right person. In some circumstances, you may wish to add some mystery. However, you'd be astonished at how deeply words can touch people. You might have them wrapped around your finger before they even realize what struck them, if you know the correct triggers and what motivates guys in their hearts. Do you want to make your guy happy? There is no better way to accomplish this than by speaking to him in a way that melts his heart. Here are a few hidden words and phrases to use when seducing that particular someone. Number 1. You'll have to work extra hard to win me over. Your lovely guy desires such a challenge. Say this to him and he'll plead for your affection. A challenge creates a push and pull tension that demonstrates your efforts and how he should respond. It's a good method to demonstrate your worth as a woman to him. Number 2. I have faith in you. True, we do not always agree with the decisions that can be made in a partnership. As a result, letting him or her know that you truly trust or believe in him or her will convey a lot of confidence on your side. As a result, your motivation will gradually increase so that you constantly attempt to do the right thing and that you both agree as much as possible. Keep in mind that trust is one of the most important cornerstones of a relationship since it allows you to create a happy life. Telling this to your loved one is a great method to build the link that keeps you together. Number 3. Thank you. It's natural for a couple to take each other for granted after they've been together for a long time. We've grown to expect the other person to perform his or her duty without asking and without appreciating when it's done well. The 2 easiest words to utter, but perhaps the most significant, are thank you. You are expressing, I appreciate all you do for me when you say this. Your partner will appreciate the fact that you noticed and took the time to express your gratitude. Number 4. I love when you do. If you want to convince a guy to commit, one of the finest things you can do is let them feel the feelings you are experiencing as a result of your deep attachment to them. Men want to know they're making you happy, and they want to know why and how much. So anytime they do something you like, let them know it was seen and that you value them. Not only that, but it will continue to reinforce this behavior. This is also something you may say when the 2 of you are being intimate. You want to not only instill confidence in him, but also teach him by telling him what feels good. They will naturally continue to do so, and they will also begin to focus more on your needs. Number 5. You are so masculine. Every guy, like a small child, wishes to be a superhero, particularly in your eyes. Tell him about it to reassure him that he is courageous, clever, and handsome like Hercules or Superman. It's really essential to him that you feel he will manage things. Just keep in mind that such a comparison must be made at the appropriate moment, such as in the bedroom or while he's repairing the TV, because he'll assume you're joking if you say it when he's doing the dishes. Sorry for interrupting. I just wanted to quickly remind you that if you are liking the video so far, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification if you haven't already, because we have a lot of exciting videos coming up. Number 6. I think you're wonderful. When we choose to remain with someone for years and years, we sometimes believe that the other person must miraculously know what we are thinking. After all, we wouldn't spend so much time together if we didn't consider what was going on in the other person's life, would we? It's time to express those feelings. I believe you're wonderful. Say this to your partner. What you're actually saying is, I think you're a decent person, and I enjoy spending time with you. Number 7. We'll make it through. For couples, weathering the storm can mean a variety of things, including the loss of a loved one, financial challenges, job loss, serious health concerns, and so much more. The most essential thing is to ensure that your partner feels your love throughout the process. We'll get through it. You're actually saying, we're a team and I'm on your side. Number 8. Would you like me to? Men, if you haven't guessed, are simple creatures. They like what they like, and they really like it when you do what they like. This does not have to be something too intimate, but rather a simple gesture such as hugging, massaging his shoulders, or making him a cup of tea the way he prefers. It truly is simple. Simply pay attention to what he likes or ask him directly. And when you make that simple gesture, he will reciprocate by doing something that you enjoy as well. It's a win-win situation for both. Number 9. What would I do if I didn't have you? This compliment is similar to the other ones in that it makes your man feel like your superhero. With such comments, you demonstrate that you're really pleased with him and cannot fathom being with anyone else. Nothing is more important to a guy than knowing that he is irreplaceable in the eyes of his partner. It's not that bad to accept that he's one of a kind. Number 10. You were right. We all want to be right, and we all dislike admitting when we're wrong. When we have disagreements in a relationship, it might be easy to let things go and never admit that we were wrong. However, telling your guy that he was correct is not only a wonderful thing to do, it will also make him feel fantastic. Sure, admitting failure makes us feel guilty, and we surely despise the thought of it being lorded over us afterward, but letting him know that he was correct also helps us look reasonable. This is significant because it helps us to temper any future disputes and provides a perspective that, hey, losing in a fight isn't actually losing at all, since we both come out winners. It's a simple 2-word phrase that we should use more frequently. Number 11. I respect you. Respecting the person you love the most entails accepting the person's limitations in the relationship. It also means that you're not taking your partner for granted. That is, if you say this and truly do not respect them, your behaviors will eventually reveal you. Tolerating the person you love involves, of course, not treating him disrespectfully under any circumstances. Therefore, strengthening the impression in your mind that you truly seek him or her and demonstrate it with your actions. Number 12. I'm happy because of you. Don't be hesitant to tell him if he makes you happy. Making his partner happy is quite important to a mature man. Do you believe he will rest on his laurels if you tell him? Nothing more wrong. He'll give it his all. Is he a good cook? Or maybe he's a good singer. Say how much you value his abilities and efforts. Regardless of what he is good at, praise him and his abilities and demonstrate that you recognize his uniqueness. It not only boosts self-esteem, but it also demonstrates what you appreciate in him. After all, he wants you to be proud of him. All these phrases have a powerful impact on men and may help you convince them to commit, rekindle their interest early in the relationship, or get your relationship back on track. Make sure you use them carefully and that you consistently find methods to show them that you care when they need it. Don't allow a single day to go by without saying something kind to your sweetheart. Well, what's your favorite phrase to say or listen to? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.